This is where Starship, the rocket designed for Mars, begins.
Starship is built from high-grade stainless steel.
Precision cutting shapes the materials for Starship.
Automation drives the early stages of Starship production.
Advanced tools ensure accuracy in Starship components.
Materials are prepared for the next phase of Starship construction.
Quality checks ensure reliability of Starship.
The process now moves into forming the structure of Starship. Steel sheets are shaped into curved sections for Starship. Massive rollers form the structure of Starship. The iconic reflective body of Starship begins to take shape. Precision shaping ensures perfect alignment for Starship. Technicians prepare each section of Starship. Sections of Starship are formed and prepared for stacking. Automation moves massive Starship sections with precision.
The process now moves into stacking Starship sections.
Massive rings form the backbone of Starship. Precision alignment is critical in building Starship.
Each Starship section is lifted into position.
Slow descent, steady now.
Copy that, holding steady.
All right, bring it home, watch the alignment.
The Starship structure begins to rise.
Each connection prepares for permanent joining in Starship.
Layer by layer, Starship takes its iconic shape.
The process now moves into welding the Starship structure.
Welding permanently joins the structure of Starship.
Rotating systems allow continuous welding of Starship.
High-precision welding ensures strength in Starship.
Right there. Are you getting the same reading?
Confirming a slight deviation, analyzing the depth now.
Seamless joints define the durability of Starship.
Automation accelerates the construction of Starship.
The Starship body becomes a unified structure.
The process now moves into engine production for Starship.
The heart of Starship lies in its powerful engines.
Each Starship engine is built with extreme precision.
Automation ensures consistency in Starship engine production.
The engine nozzle directs immense power in Starship.
Dozens of Starship engines are built for each launch system. Data ensures every Starship engine meets strict standards.
Each Starship engine is tested under extreme conditions.
The process now moves into full assembly of Starship.
The Starship structure stands tall in the assembly bay. Engines are installed at the base of Starship.
Engine integration is critical for Starship performance.
Complex systems are installed throughout Starship. Fuel systems are integrated into Starship.
The structural integrity reading is fluctuating right at this seam. I see that. Let's recalibrate the sensor and rescan section gamma.
The Starship is now fully assembled. The process now moves into testing the Starship. The Starship enters the testing phase.
Starship is fueled with cryogenic propellants.
Pressure tests validate the strength of Starship. Engines ignite to test the power of Starship. Extreme heat and thrust push Starship to its limits. Engineers analyze every detail of Starship testing.
Starship proves its readiness through testing.
The process now moves into launch preparation for Starship. Starship is transported to the launch pad.
Countdown begins for the Starship mission.
Final connections prepare Starship for launch.